Hey guys, welcome back. This is how to change the color on a Google Spreadsheet. So guys, in order for you to do that, just simply go ahead and select the columns or rows or the word. And from here, let's say I'm gonna select this one. And in order for you to change the color, you can just simply go for this icon over here, which is fill color. And from here, click on it, and you should be able to see here multiple colors that you can choose from. So guys, I recommend that not choosing a solid color, just simply select a light color so you can still see the text. So let's say I'm gonna go for this orange one over here, and as you can see, you should be able to see it for here, and you could be able to change the color on Google Spreadsheet. Or if you want to change the text color, you can just simply click on this one and you can change it as well, as you can see. So just simply use these tools over here, and you can also go for custom, which you can select any color that you prefer. And after that, you should be able to have this option. There you go. See ya.